Here we come to the elevator at Macy's, Post Oak Mall, College Station, Texas. It's a Montgomery. I lost the video of this elevator when I filmed it with Hanny the last time. Indicator does not light up, unfortunately. No, I don't think it does. Two. Does the bell work on this one? Yeah, it does. I have a feeling it's got a green light for the up one, but it's a shame that doesn't work. It's your basic Montgomery elevator with a vandalized ceiling tile. Epco circle line fixtures. Watch the button go out. And there's music out here, so I'm gonna have to noise over that. Let's watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.